Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Redmi iPad 11 inches. Basically, the reason I got that was to have the flexibility of being able to write on the screen, especially when I feel like I want to draw something. Maybe I'm trying to design something, but I'm not a full stack designer. But from time to time, I feel the need to write something with my hand, and doing that on a small device is not that convenient. My laptop is not touchscreen, so I felt the need to get one. And apart from that, when I'm not at home and maybe I just want to do something on something really quickly without needing to carry my device or my laptop all over the place, that will come in handy. We're just going to unbox, take a good look at some of the features or some of the things that came with it, and if you like it, you probably want to go get it for yourself. So without talking too much, let's dive right into the unboxing. And thank you very much for sticking around with me on this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please do wait to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you